Keep left towards Blizzard Beach Water Park and Disney's Animal Kingdom.
The drinks were What's up, fam?
If you're new here,
Welcome to our channel.
and if you're not new,
You already know what it do, baby.
Alright guys, today we are here at Rainforest Cafe, and we are about to go have dinner. We had late reservations, and we're running late, so we're gonna go ahead and head inside. But of course we're gonna show you everything that we eat and what's on the menu for tonight, so let's go check it out.
Kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor. Like Stiga, can mess with her. One me got.
Rainforest Cafe is designed to transport you deep into a tropical rainforest, including plant growth, mist, waterfalls, and of course, rainforest animals. The food on the menu consists of pasta, seafood, burgers, and of course, delectable desserts. As you'll see in the video, the food was not our favorite. We really think it was subpar, but the drinks were really good. So that's a highlight for the adults. The kids really enjoyed the experience, such as the rainstorms and volcanic eruptions that happen every 30 minutes or so. It can be a fun place to shop and eat for the whole family. So after the thunderstorm, our food started to come out. I got the salmon and coconut shrimp. Donovan got the tilapia and coconut shrimp. And Grayson got the pizza. Stick around until the end where we give Rainforest Cafe a score.
What do you like or not like? What do you not like?
I don't know. Either the grease was too hot, and so the breading got like done a bit faster before the shrimp, or something. Like the flavors are good, but the breading, like, it just cooked way faster than the shrimp for some reason, and so that imbalance is what has it at like a medium to me, or mediocre.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very tender. Cooked really well. shrimp, a little less coconut, but not bad. How's the orange?
Okay, fam, so we've had our dinner. We've sat through so many rains in the rainforest. The shrimp, the fish, the salmon, the tilapia, whew, the appetizers. All right, fam, the food was but the drinks were hey, so there you have it. Catch your heat scale. Stacy, what you got?
I give it a 7.
I give it a 6. All right, fam, so if you love this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and definitely hit that like button. Hey, and if you like this video, you're definitely gonna love this video. All right, we out.
Can't mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your